Hello viewers, it's me Tahir Mahmood and you're watching Murree Times. It's at noon 3 p.m. 26 July 2023, and you're not just watching Murree Times, you're watching today Murree Vada. You're watching these green tall trees and wet leaves and birds singing, rainfall, cold drops of rain, cold breeze, and wonderful weather and thunder cloudings and fogs somewhere, and some calling sounds of our village people, animals, and birds as well. Oh yes, my little crow. Here it is. I think it's calling for food or for its nest. But that's the wonderful weather of 26 July 2023. It's rainfall, and it's been for 2 hours, and we are fascinating by watching and getting into the rain. Oh, some animals. For in our fields, this is my village, and I have only one face view because all other three sides are covered by walls, and I have only front view that can I show you. So the fog. Oh, let me zoom out. All right, yes. So we have thunder cloudings, rainfall, uh, rainfall for 2 to 3 hours, and a cold breeze and cold weather as well, and a white fog over there at the top of the mountains. And everything is cleaned and washed by rainwater, and even birds are out there and they are taking bath under the water of rain, and some people out city, they are enjoying this rainfall and getting wet, oh, by taking shower of this rainwater. So that's the situation of today, Murree. We have green fields, green lodge, trees, leaves, and wonderful weather here. I have no other three faces that I can't be able to show you because of these walls, these block walls. I have only one face that can I show you. Please stay tuned with us, and I will notify you if any unexpected events or some weather updates occur. I show you soon after that moment. Uh, Till then, let me take leave. Take care yourself, and pray for me. Remember me in your prayers.